Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix a wiper which overlaps. So for instance, when I switch on, let me switch on the car, then I switch on the wipers, you can see they go over, you get me, one goes over that, and you know when it's faster, what it's gonna do is gonna break, because I did that and they got broken. So I'm gonna show you. Then I bought new ones, but still the problem is there. Until when I discovered the problem, you see. So once it will make it faster, it's gonna come and jump here. Then once it hits here, then it's gonna be a problem, and then it's gonna be a problem. It's gonna break. So they're gonna break like this. See, these one were broken because of that. You can see here they're broken. Then I took them off. So that was the major reason why I took them off. Okay, so then let's try to do this. I'm gonna fix them to show you how to fix them. So, and I'm gonna show you what's the reason for that to happen. It's happening because just simply because this you can see this one is longer than this one, and this I believe should be that side, and this side. You get me? So that's what we're gonna choose. So you can see 1, 2. You see how it ends. You can get a tape measure and check. 1, 2. This one is very, very short. It should come this side. For that matter, I'm gonna do that for now. Okay. I'm going to do that for now. Okay. I'm dealing with a Chevy here spark. Use a 13 spanner. Okay. I want to fix that problem for good, not to have it anymore. Okay. So, taking out this, it fell down. Put it where you can see. Something you have to take out. Okay, after that, I have to take them off. It's not that easy, but you're gonna do that. Okay, you get me? Once you do that, it comes out faster. So put that. Okay, once you do that, it comes out faster. So this, I'm gonna put it here, but you can see still it's a little bit longer. See? It's a bit longer, but now the good thing is when it hits here, it's okay than hitting this side. Remember, this is the driver's side. Let me see something also on these ones. Maybe we can swap these ones. We put them this side. Some of them. And this is something we could also deal with. We can change it to that side. But that's something I don't want to do. You can see, okay. So now, before we check that, we might have some easier thing to do. That's what we're gonna deal with. It's a little bit. If you have a way to take off this, and pin in this inside more, it could be better. There's not much of a way to do that. Okay, but then what is the easier way? The easiest way is to put it that side, this side. They even try to bend it, which didn't work out. Okay. Okay, because this is the driver's side, not anything which happens, it's gonna happen to this side, so you'll be able to drive. You get me? But if your side get messed up when you're driving, it happened to me, then it's a problem. You can't do anything. You get me? So now I think I should find something a little bit shorter on that side. Okay, put in this, and because when you're a driver, you really need them. There's no way. See, now I'm putting them a little bit far. What can we do? What we can do is we can unscrew them, and we give it where it should limit to stop. So it can be here until here. It goes this side until here. Okay, I think that's where we're gonna make it stop. Okay, so let me screw it in here. Okay. Okay. That's gonna work like that. So you can see even the rain is coming. It's like it knew what was going on. Okay. Wants us to test out the wipers. So let me get it right. When you get it like this, it will be easier for you to do what? To put them in right. You make them like this. Okay, that is done. Oh, that's crazy. Let me try to test them before we do anything. Let's see. You can see. Okay, this goes over, so I have to put it down. This is fine. This we have to put it down a bit. Yeah. Okay, this overlaps. So super okay. This is super okay. We're gonna take them down. Still overlaps on the body. This one. Okay. Let it not be with that. I'll take it out. Okay. Let me put it here. It starts here. So if it starts there, it will be a problem. Let it start here. You get me? So after starting there, it's gonna be fine. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna screw it in. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Let's test again. We're gonna see what's gonna go on here, because we wanna get things right today. This time, it still does the same thing. Okay, no problem, no stress. We're gonna go back, put it a bit far, like here, down here. Okay, no stress. We're gonna do that, but remember, it doesn't have to have conflict with the second one. Okay, just be here, exactly here. So this, another one, doesn't have to touch. They don't have to touch either each other or to meet. Okay. Sometimes they have to be like this to make it tight. Okay. Okay. But then still the same thing. Let me try to fix it well. Yeah guys, we find out like the problem was not what we thought. The problem was not like this is longer, this is shorter. The problem was the way when you install this, you have to drive them to this place when they are starting. So when you drive them in this place and you tie them there, for instance, we tie them here. Get me? So when we tie them here, so when they start, they're gonna go, they won't overlap. But if you start them somewhere here, then when start, they're gonna hit here. That was the problem. Let me test for you. You can see now where it ends. I guess you can see where it ends. That's pretty good. You can see. So that last time it was, if you rewind the video, it was touching this side. You get me? It was touching until here and jumps here. You can see, that's why you can see even here it's like scratched because of that. So that's done. We're gonna install the new one then. Okay. We're gonna install the second one. We see. Yeah guys, after putting the second one, we're gonna show you everything is going well. Look, even on the highest speed, you can see. Even on the highest speed possible, nothing happens, nothing wrong, there's nothing overlaps here. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video.